Hello, I'm Caroline Wozniak, and one of my goals as Deputy Premier and the Minister of Finance is to help residents better understand the processes and decisions that shape the future of the Northwest Territories. Today, I want to take a minute to share why the upcoming budget process is a little different than usual. As a general rule, the government cannot spend money unless a budget has been approved by the Legislative Assembly. Because of this, in February of each year, I typically present the next fiscal year's budget for review. The fiscal year runs from April 1st to March 31st. This year, I'll be bringing forward something called an interim budget instead. Following a territorial election, the option of using an interim budget allows the government to operate for a set period without committing to a full year of spending. In this case, I'll be presenting an interim budget that would fund government operations from April 1st, 2024 through until June of 2024. The interim budget approach gives the members of the 20th Assembly a little extra time to set priorities. We can then consider how best to assign funding in order to achieve these priorities. Once this work is done, I will present the full 2024-25 operating budget during the May 2024 sitting. Residents will not see any changes in funding commitments or service levels because of this interim budget. All contracts and contribution agreements will be fully funded. Thank you for watching. I encourage you to follow my page to stay informed about the decisions that are shaping our territory's future.